In this video, I'll show you how to disable Duet and Stitch videos on TikTok permanently. This is a great feature for creators who don't want their content to be used in other people's videos. Before that, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. To disable Duet and Stitch videos on TikTok, follow these steps. Open the TikTok app and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Tap on Privacy. Click on Duet. Tap on Duet option again. Under Who Can Do It and Stitch Your Videos section, tap on Only Me. Once you've done this, Duet and Stitch videos will be disabled for all of your videos. To enable them again, simply follow the same steps and select Everyone or Followers. That's it. You've now disabled Duet and Stitch videos on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more TikTok tips.